Check it. Alright, what up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're looking at Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. I look at Ethereum charts, Bitcoin charts, XRP, and Dogecoin, and more in this video. Also, we have coins that have done over 6,000% gains. I'm going to be showing you the biggest and most gainers in the altcoin market and cryptocurrency market as well. Some of these altcoins doing absolutely massive gains. We also have huge news for the Bitcoin market. BlackRock is signing up to make a BTC ETF. This would send Bitcoin's price to the moon in a very quick manner. So we're going to study the charts, the facts, and the data in this video. Without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in and see what we have going on. What is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin in the overall crypto market. Guys, we have some great news for Bitcoin. BlackRock is filing for a Bitcoin ETF. They would literally need to buy all of the Bitcoin to make a ETF for the NASDAQ, and that's what they are trying to do. The SEC has rejected all ETF applications up until this point, but BlackRock has only been denied 4 times in history for a ETF, so there's a good chance that this could go through, and if it goes through, it is going to send Bitcoin to the moon. Also, we have technicals for Bitcoin. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin technicals, Ethereum technicals. I'm also going to be looking at XRP and Dogecoin as well. In this video, we're going to be looking at some altcoins and meme coins as well, looking at the fundamentals and technicals. So let's go ahead and hop at the charts and see what we have going on. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin is making a falling wedge, a micro falling wedge, as breaking out of this macro falling wedge as well. Buy signals on the weekly time frame. Last time we had these buy signals on the weekly time frame, we had this massive push up here and this massive push up here. We now have those buy signals as well. I do think this is the beginning of the bull market. It's going to be sideways. It's going to be methodical. There's going to be sideways chop, but we're in a overall uptrend. I believe we're building a huge base to get a push to the upside. I think that the SEC and the overall smart money are trying to shake people out right now, and this recent dip that we have seen in some of these altcoins is actually the shakeout of a century, as some of these coins like Cardano have fixed market caps or fixed caps for the amount of coins that can be printed. Bitcoin as well, and they literally have to steal these things to shake you out of these positions to get these valuable coins, and I do think they are valuable coins, especially the top 100 altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, especially Cardano, these coins as well. So this is what I'm looking at for the Bitcoin market as we break out of this macro falling wedge, moving to the upside and start to consolidate underneath 31,000. I do think we're going to break that $31,000 level. As you guys can see, we're in another falling wedge as well on the micro time frame, the smaller time frames. Let's go ahead and zoom in and see what we're looking at on the smaller time frames. And as you guys can see, we do have that falling wedge, and we're holding support in this overall upsending support marked in white, as you guys can see, and then we have the falling wedge marked in yellow. Again, falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern. Let us know we're going to have higher highs, breaking past this $31,000 level and seeing more upside for Bitcoin, officially starting the bull run. Once we break that $30,000 level, it's going to be a key point of interest and shift sentiment to the bullish side, and Bitcoin will absolutely start to rocket once it breaks that $30,000 level. As you guys can see, Bitcoin kind of forming a inverse head and shoulders, a massive inverse head and shoulders. Let's go ahead and zoom out and show you guys what I'm talking about for this inverse head and shoulders. So right here is your shoulder, right here is your shoulder, here is your other shoulder, and this is your head. So this would be a massive inverse head and shoulders, taking us all the way back to the price points of 50,000s. As you guys can see, right here is your shoulder, this is your next shoulder, and this is your head, forming a massive head and shoulders, taking us way back to that $50,000, $40,000 range. Again, I do think this price point is very, very crucial and going to be playing out as this pattern plays out, as we see more upside from this buy signal on the weekly time frame, and the technicals showing us that we have more upside as well. That's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin on the larger and smaller time frames. I do think that we're going to be holding these key levels of 25,000, pushing to the upside and potentially breaking out of this falling wedge. Again, once we have confirmation of the breakout of the falling wedge, you will see Bitcoin start to move to the upside. So we want to see Bitcoin always use the wedge as support, so you want to see Bitcoin push above the wedge, then use the resistance as support and get that confirmation move and then start pulling to the upside, as you guys see marked here in orange. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin on the smaller and larger time frames. I also want to point out on the monthly time frame, we're working on a MACD cross to the bullish side. As you guys can see, MACD does not give false signals on the monthly time frame. Once we get that bullish monthly cross, it is going to be the official start of a bull run, and we're working on that cross as we speak on the monthly time frame. As you guys can see, currently trying to make that bullish cross. Again, I do think a bull run is coming for Bitcoin. If we go ahead and look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart indicator, you guys can see that Bitcoin is in the fire sale territory. This is the fire sale territory. Anytime Bitcoin is in this blue line, it is literally prime time, buying time for crypto, and I do think Bitcoin is in that range. You can see that the fear and greed index is trading at neutral. Again, you always want to do the opposite of the herd. When the crowd is greedy, you want to be fearful, and when the crowd is fearful, you want to be greedy. We were in the extreme fear now that around that $15,000 level, and as you guys can see, that seems to be the bottom. As you want to do the opposite of the herd, buying the bottoms and selling the tops, use the fear and greed index. It's right now currently in neutral, which means it's neither a good or a bad time, but I do think based off of the technicals, this is actually a historic time to buy Bitcoin and historic lows that we will not see here in the near future. As Bitcoin starts to mature and move to the upside, I do think it is the ultimate money because it has a fixed hard cap and it is decentralized. Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum and Ethereum charts, see what Ethereum charts are telling us. As you guys can see, Ethereum as well working on a monthly MACD cross and making a bottom formation with this bullish pennant. As you guys can see, this bullish pennant as we break to the upside, start to consolidate in this falling wedge as well. I do think that Ether is going to break above that $21,000 level, as you guys can see, as we consolidate in this falling wedge. Once we get the confirmation move to the upside, using that falling wedge as support, as you guys can see, breaking out of the falling wedge, pushing to the upside, as you guys can see marked here in orange, then you want to use the wedge as support. You always want to see that confirmation so you don't get caught in a false break. Then you will see Ethereum start to move back towards that $21,000 level, breaking that $21,000 level and pushing to the upside. This consolidation underneath this level is exactly what you want to see for a push to the upside to break that crucial point and time with, or that crucial price point that we will see in time. So I do think Ethereum is going to be moving to the upside. Again, weekly buy signal as well. Last time we had these weekly buy signals, we had massive run-ups for Ethereum. Again, I think Ethereum is going to move in a bull run with Bitcoin, and it's going to be absolutely legendary this next bull run that we're setting up for. Let's go ahead and look at some of the altcoins and technicals for the altcoins like XRP and Dogecoin. As you guys can see, XRP is in this bullish pennant. As you guys can see, bullish pennant and a weekly buy signal on the weekly time frame, and the court case litigation is possibly getting to an end. Again, once that happens, XRP is absolutely going to go to the moon once that court case litigation is wrapped up. I want you guys to take note of the MACD on the monthly time frame. We do have green MACD on the month or the weekly time frame for XRP. Again, very, very bullish, especially mixed with this buy signal on the weekly time frame and this bullish pennant. Once you see XRP break above this bullish pennant, then you will see a big push to the upside. Again, you want to always see these things, use it as support and get that confirmation move to get that move to the upside to make sure you do not get in a false break. But once XRP breaks that pennant, it's going to start making a nice rounded bottom, pushing to the upside. Based off of the technicals, this is what I'm looking at for XRP. So I do think more upside is coming for XRP. And once Bitcoin breaks above 31,000, you will see altcoins really start to rally once the bull run is officially announced and Bitcoin goes above 31,000. But again, you want to be buying at the bottoms. You do not want to be waiting for those signals. You don't want to buy after 31,000. You want to be buying and accumulating under 31,000 and accumulating these coins while Bitcoin is under 31,000. Not financial advice. Waiting for it to break above and then start scaling out of your position once Bitcoin reaches near all-time highs or higher. As you guys can see, let's go ahead and look at Dogecoin, see if we see some technicals for Dogecoin. So you can see that Dogecoin on the weekly time frame as well. does have that buy signal, and we are having this down sloping resistance for Doge. Doge needs to break this down sloping resistance to see a push to the upside. We are forming a strong sense of support here around this level. I'm not going to go ahead and read it out, but it's 0.06, 0.06, as you guys can see, and I do think Doge is finding support here and will be pushing to the upside, especially if it can break the sloping resistance at about 0.07. So if Doge can get above 0.07, it could get a nice push all the way up to about 10 cents or maybe even 12 cents for Dogecoin, breaking previous highs and then start breaking this bottom and start making a rounded bottom, pushing to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for Dogecoin. And again, same thing for the altcoins and all meme coins. Once Bitcoin gets above 30,000, then you will see the exuberance and the euphoria come back into the market, and things will get crazy. We'll start seeing those prices start really rocketing up to the upside. Let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin on the bigger time frames and show you guys the fire sale chart, or the rainbow Bitcoin price chart indicator. Again, Bitcoin is in historic territories to be buying. Anytime it is in this blue level, it is a fire sale territory. Again, you want to be accumulating in these levels, not financial advice. Anytime Bitcoin is in these levels, it is in the fire sale territory and a great time to be buying. Let's go ahead and look at Lunarcrush and see some of the top coins mentioned by social media sentiment. This is coins ranked by social media sentiment in this current moment. As you guys can see, Pepe is number 10. We have Polygon making moves at number 4, and we have APT at number 1. This is a great way to find new altcoins. This site is called Lunarcrush. This is based off social media mentions and sentiment, giving you guys the best coins by social media ranking. Again, a great way to find meme coins and altcoins. Let's go ahead and look at the crypto bubbles and see some of the gains and losses over the day. As you guys can see, Hex is up 13% on the day. APT is up 10% on the day. GALA up 5.8% on the day. RND are up 9.4% on the day. So you can see that some coins are making massive moves. And again, in the crypto market, 5, 10, 20% is absolutely nothing. I know that's a lot for stocks, but these coins can move a lot more than that a lot quickly. You can see that over the week, there's been a lot of gains as well. KAS up 36%, KAS up 36%, FTM up 15%, TWT up 26%, Pepe up 9.3%, CS up 19.9%. Let's go ahead and check out the gains for the month. As you guys can see, there has been an overall pullback in the crypto market, but some coins are still up over the month. As you guys can see, TOMI up 36% on the month. But if you go ahead and look at the year, you can see that there's been absolutely massive gains over the year. KAS up 6,414%. KAS up 6,000%. Again, altcoins make crazy moves. Matic up 77% over the year. QNT up 144 or 122%. CFX up 297%. Sorry guys, I'm getting tongue twisted. RNDR up 599%. Again, massive moves from these altcoins over the years, and this is why I am in the crypto market, especially when you get some of these top coins that have great fundamentals. You can see great gains like this great one, KAS up 6,000%. So guys, this is basically everything I have for you guys. Again, BlackRock trying to file for a Bitcoin ETF. This is huge news for Bitcoin. If we see this BlackRock ETF go through, they would have to buy literally all of the Bitcoins. This would send Bitcoin's price absolutely skyrocketing to the upside. This would be absolutely huge for Bitcoin and cannot be ignored. As you guys can see, the technicals are looking good for a crypto bull run. I do think we're going to see movement to the upside for Bitcoin and Ethereum as the overall crypto market matures. And I do think Bitcoin is the ultimate money, as they do steal your money by printing it and devaluing your money. As you guys save your money, even though it's in a savings account, it's worth less and less and less because it buys less and less things over time. Well, Bitcoin appreciates over time. It cannot be printed. It only has a fixed amount of coins, and it is controlled buy. No one is decentralized, and that's why I think Bitcoin is the ultimate money. And again, when buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, my personal opinion is I hold 50% Bitcoin, so I want 50% Bitcoin in my portfolio at least at all times. Then I might have 45% altcoins, 5% meme coins, or I would do 50% Bitcoin, 50% altcoins. And the altcoins that I pick would have to be sound altcoins in the top 100 altcoin list, and they would have to have good fundamentals and have good projects and fundamentals behind them. And that's how I pick my altcoin picks. A few altcoins that I do like are Cardano, Polygon, Cosmos, Tezos, Loopring. These are a few coins that I do like. Grayscale, Mana, I do like Mana as well. Stellar XLM is a great one as well. These are a few altcoins that I personally like in my personal opinion. Again, this video is not financial advice. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. Everything is linked down in the comment section below. My Instagram as well. Check me out and subscribe for more information like this. As always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, y'all, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and you can join and become a member of this channel, only $2.99 a month. Cancel at any time. Go ahead and just press the join button next to the subscribe button, and you get a ton of perks for doing so listed in the membership. Go ahead and check that out if you like. And a great way to support me for free is simply by dropping a like, leaving a comment, or pressing subscribe. I really appreciate each and every one of you that do so, and each and every one of you that have watched to the end of this video to see this message. As always, y'all, I appreciate you. Have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.